Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to give you two quick but powerful tips, okay, that can help you become a profitable trader. Alright, so these two tips, if you know you are not on the good side of these two tips I want to give you, just know that you're still going to be a little bit far from being a profitable trader. Just two tips, okay? So quickly, let's get right into it. The very first tip, alright, that can help you become a profitable trader is you need to have a strategy that you are confident in. So if you are still shilly-shallying, you are still you are undecided in terms of which strategy is the best for you, then profitability is going to be far from you in the meantime. It is until you have gotten a powerful strategy, all right, a powerful strategy that you trust, okay? So emphasis on trust. You need to trust that strategy. And how do you trust a strategy? You back test it and then you forward test it. So you have seen it play out again and again, and you've tested it severally. You forward tested it, be it with demo or with your live account, and you see that this strategy works. Okay, so once you get to that point whereby you trust a strategy and you know exactly what you are looking for each time you look at the charts, then profitability is very, very close. Because if you interview or you ask any profitable trader that's actually making money in this complex market, because it's not a simple market, it's complex. It might look simple from the beginning. I laugh at those that say things like all you just need is to click a buy button and click a sell button, and then you just make money. All you need is an internet connection. You and your internet connection are going to lose money if you do not do what you are supposed to do, if you don't go through the levels that you need to go through. There are levels to this, all right? As a beginner, gather as much knowledge as you can gather, all right? Gather as much knowledge as you can gather. Practice on demo, but the tips I'm giving you is for you to be profitable, whereby your trades end up in more wins than losses. These two things must be on the table. The first one, a trusted strategy. You trust the strategy to the point that even before you open the charts, you know what you are looking for. So if you have to open your charts before you decide what you're looking for and you are waiting for the market to give you whatever, the market will give you whatever, and the market will give you more losses than wins. You should have a strategy that even before you open your charts, you already know what you are looking for, and you have this laser beam focus on that and nothing else. Once the market gives it to you, you know this is your setup. It could be an A setup or an A plus setup, okay? If it's A plus setup, you know that yes, 95% of the time it's going to deliver, and if it's A setup, probably 80% of the time. So you probably want to reduce your lot size a bit. So you need to get to that level of having a trusted strategy, okay? And how are you going to get there? You have to try different strategies until you find the one that makes sense to you, and what was it called? You back test and forward test, like I said. Now, what is the second tip? Okay, the second tip that I have for you, the second tip is learning from your mistakes. If you cannot learn from your mistake, it implies that you are going to be at one level for a very, very long time. If you catch yourself repeating the same mistake over and over again, okay, you're repeating the same mistakes over and over again, all right, you are going over the same mistakes without improving and avoiding the mistake next time. You stay in a position for a very long time without becoming profitable, okay? Because one of the traits of a profitable trader is to always learn from his mistakes. If you learn from your mistake, it means you have moved to a higher level. You are not the same person yesterday. Your mistakes of yesterday, you don't want them to repeat today. So you are fine-tuning your knowledge, you are fine-tuning your entry, you are fine-tuning your efficiency when it comes to the game. Okay, so let me just quickly drop this. There are some persons that once they place a trade, it's like they are the markets themselves, and that is, you know, the level I strive to be at. I'm already functioning around that level, but I don't want to sit on my laurels and say, oh, I've gotten. No, I want to keep perfecting my systems. All right, so this is an endless journey, but definitely there is a point you get to, you start, you know, making more profits than losses. Definitely you always be in net profit. All right, and it's sweet, it's rosy, but the journey, you know, is not a day's journey. That's the truth of the matter. It's going to take you some time, but you need to follow the steps that you need to follow. Keep working and do not give up. Okay, so there are a lot of other tips I could give you, but I don't want the video to be too long. All right, so if you got any value, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.